So here's what's going on today. It's Labor Day and I'm smoking meats on my Oklahoma Joe's smoker. This is an offset reverse flow smoker. So my firebox is here on this side, and so is my chimney, meaning the smoke goes and the heat goes from the firebox down this way, up, see, not out there, but back, and then out. And so we get a nice strong covering of smoke flavor, and the heat and everything is underneath. It's been so good. I've had it for a couple of months now. It's been so good, and I'm really getting used to it. Anyway, I'm smoking a couple of brisket. I think one's a flat and one's an end. I can't really tell until I cut into them. It didn't say on the packet, but these are from Kroger. They're pre-salt and peppered, and then you just add your own flavors and you just put them in here and let them get moving. See, we've got some nice fat rendering over here. We're getting some good color. This one we're getting some good color on, and then I've got a pork butt right here. And I'm going to spray it. It's a little dry right there. I'm going to spray it again. I'm trying to spray it every 30 minutes. Now on the other cooker, okay, so this is my new charcoal grill. I don't have a charcoal grill, so I could do a charcoal grill here if I want to put charcoal in the bottom of this, but I don't want to because it was expensive, and it's brand new. I don't want to put charcoal in there, and I could cook stuff over there on the firebox. I don't want to. I want a charcoal grill. So I went and got this at Walmart. This is made in America. It's called a Americana grill, I believe. And it's only $64, so it's all right. It's going to cook burgers and dogs for us today. That's all I'm asking it to do. And over here is my trusty gas grill that Angel and I have refurbished twice in the last couple of years. It just burns right up, but anyway, it's working hard to give me some indirect heat ribs. Got a smoker packet here, got some soaked apple chips there, and this is going to just cook for about another hour, and then I'm going to wrap it and it'll cook for a little bit longer after that. And so when Angel gets home from work today around 5:30 or 6, we'll have burgers and dogs on this brand new charcoal grill. Okay, and that's what I'm doing with my Labor Day. How's your Labor Day? Let me know what you did.